me.
What are you doing here?
I'm just curious if you borrowed some of my makeup. But I don't mind. In fact, here, nagdala pa ako ng iba for you.
Are you accusing me of stealing your makeup?
Huh? No, no, no. I was just asking. I mean, it's totally fine. I was just wondering.
I did not steal your makeup. Okay, now go away.
Wait. Naomi, if you want more makeup, you can ask me for some. I can lend you the brands I like and
I don't need you to buy me makeup, okay? I can ask Dad to buy me makeup. Now leave.
That was a lie. Hindi niya naman kaya mag-ask kay mom or dad ng kahit ano. If may kailangan man siya or if she wanted something. Kaya gets ko naman why she had to borrow my things.